So there's tin, that's 50-50. You can try whichever one you want. It's probably easier to start with the 50-50, and you got to flux it. Don't be shy. Flux is cheap. Yeah, who's next? You're next. You get the fun of the stainless steel.
Solder before you use $100 a box. For like a box of 6 or something.
That was good.
I mean, that's honestly, I've done a little stainless for like scrubber box. Didn't turn out very good.
Okay. Alright, so you gotta suck that through better. Alright. So, what I was saying earlier is wherever that stops is where your solder stops. So if you want to draw that far, that's where this tip has to go at least, as far as you want the solder to draw.
I shouldn't have to add more, right?
No, it should suck it in. You put that on sideways, you can actually see it suck in the joint that way. See it? Give it a minute to cool. And go down. You just hold the heat on there. Watch it suck into that joint. Slow down. Give it a chance to work. Keep the heat on there a little bit, and you can actually see it draw.
It's fancy. For me, it's like a lot.
See it?
It's a lot easier.